The storm has passed, but the damage remains. Dent Clinic offers professional hail damage recovery for Southwest Missouri, restoring your vehicle's finish. Dents happen, but runarounds shouldn't. After a major storm, you need fast, reliable repair, not weeks of waiting at a traditional body shop. You deserve professional dent repair without the runaround. Dent Clinic is local, honest, and veteran-owned and operated. We are rooted in SW, Missouri, committed to the community. You get direct access to the owner every time you call. Experience the Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, advantage for hail damage. We use specialized tools for gentle massage, removing the dent from the inside out, preserving your factory finish. This results in faster turnarounds and superior value. When deciding who is fixing your vehicle, Dent Clinic preserves factory paint and provides local accountability, owner-level care, and lightning-fast turnaround. We are the superior choice compared to traditional body shops and storm chasers. See the difference? Our proven techniques restore your vehicle the right way. Check out these before and after photos, demonstrating our commitment to quality. Beyond the storm, we offer paintless dent repair, door dings and minor dents fixes, and vehicle appearance restoration to improve the look and overall value of your vehicle. We are proudly serving Southwest Missouri. We offer quality work at a fair price with quick turnaround times, making those little dings and major hail damage disappear. Got a dent? Let's fix it. Call Greg today at 417-860-3740 or email for an honest local service and a free estimate. Contact us today.